Welcome to Brandsynario's unboxing Huawei Y7 Prime 2018. The most captivating plus point about this set is that it is priced just 20,000 rupees. The brand claims it wants to give more for less to the youth. Let's get started. Here it is, the Huawei Y7 Prime. We'll set this aside and get back to it in a minute. Here's the SIM tool you'll need to eject the tray. Here's the manual, which will help you set up your phone, and the warranty card as well. Coming to the accessories, Y7 comes with a silicone case and a glass protector as well. We've got the charger, USB cable. One thing you instantly notice is that both are very different in colors. And the earphones are black. Interesting color combination the brand went with, wonder why though. Anyways, coming back to the handset, Huawei has launched the smartphone in different colors including black, the one we have, mystic blue and gold. It's light in weight, easy to place your grip around it, has smooth curved edges, matte black body, whereas the blue one is very shiny. It boasts a 5.99 full view display with 720 by 1440 pixels and no home button. Here are the volume and power buttons. On the other side you have the SIM and the card tray. Coming to the bottom, it has a 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB 2.0 port. We don't think it supports fast charging. You have the mic and the speakers. At the back we have 13 megapixel dual camera with LED flash. The front camera is 2 megapixel, which is alright for this price, but we will have to test it before we can be sure about the results. There's a fingerprint sensor for extra security, and last but not the least, it is equipped with the non-removable 3000 mAh battery. So this was the unboxing of the Huawei Y7 Prime 2018. We'll be rolling out details about the phone very soon. Let us know what is your first impression of the handset in the comments below. Stay tuned to Brandscenario.